Up first this evening, the Health Ministry is asking persons who arrived in Jamaica from the UK in the last 14 days to self-report immediately to the Ministry. Now, you can contact the Ministry by calling 888-754-7792 or 888-1LOVE. That's 888-663-5683. The release, which was sent to our news centre a short while ago, said the travel restrictions that have been imposed on the UK comes into effect on Monday, March 16. The ban was previously scheduled to take place today. In the meantime, the ministry says all Jamaicans who visited the countries of interest in the last 14 days would have landing privileges in accordance with the law, but would be subject to a health assessment and quarantine. Now, those countries are China, Japan, France, Italy, the UK, South Korea, and Iran. Meanwhile, Foreign Affairs Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith announced the restrictions yesterday, but said given that planes were already en route to Jamaica, it did not take effect immediately. Those aircrafts were allowed to land.
It would not be appropriate, reasonable, or perhaps even possible without legal consequence were we to apply them prior to the airlines being notified. And accordingly, those processes are already underway, having been triggered by the ministry responsible for tourism and the other relevant agencies and departments.